This is another review of an item that I received from Gearbest.com, and it's a clamp for an action camera. So let's check the box and let's start unboxing. It's TELESIN Ready for Your Pro, made in China. So yeah, let's see what's inside. Sorry, I don't have a stand yet. Cannot afford one, so I'm just using one hand and holding the camera with another. Shouldn't be too bad. Okay, so 3 items inside. This is for like standard cameras, and this thing is for GoPros, I think. So yeah, and this, like, oh, it's pretty hard to open it, but it's a good thing because it has to clamp tight, and it definitely clamps very tight. I'm getting pretty good at this. Let's see if it's aligned. Oh, this is pretty good. Now I can clamp my camera to anything. Quality of this item is pretty good. It was a bit on the expensive side. Like, it, if I remember correctly, it cost like $3 or $4. So, but it's not that bad. Like, considering the quality of this item, it's pretty great. And I think it has another feature, like, yeah, so it like can be adjusted. Angle can be changed. It doesn't look pretty, but if you need a different angle on your camera, this clamp is pretty great. It's pretty tough to do, like, adjust with one hand, but it's doable. Like, and it's fixed, like, it's super strong. So yeah, very happy with this purchase. Definitely gonna like use it for something. Guess you could clamp it to like your backpack, then adjust this thingy, and then you can just walk around and film stuff. So yeah, a clamp from Gearbest by TELESIN. Thanks for watching.